So that was the summary of the story Battling Boats in an animated version. Now it's time to understand the main character of the story or the protagonist of the story, Kuttan, through some of his character traits. First of all, we can see intelligence in Kuttan as he came up with a plan which saved their day and helped them to win the race. Secondly, risk taker. While correcting the damage, he took the risk of starting the boat's engine so that he could make sure that his plan worked at the right time. Further, he took the risk of not telling any of the secrets to his father. First of all, the secret about witnessing the sabotage. Secondly, what was done to correct the damage. Next, Kuttan is a brave boy as he was not afraid at all to try the new canals and even to work in dark. The other trait which you can find in Kuttan is that he was a concerned and a caring fellow towards his near and dear ones as he kept all the secret to himself as he was afraid that it would worry his mother or father. Finally, we can see patience and calmness in Kuttan's character. He worked very patiently in the dark while fixing the sabotage. So, overall, you can see Kuttan as a intelligent boy with the qualities of risk taking, patience, and concern towards his family members. So that was the character traits of Kuttan, which will help you to draw out the character sketch. Now, let me familiarize you with some of the new words which you came across in this chapter, and it would help you to enhance your vocabulary as well. Starting with dugout canoe. What does it mean? It means the small narrow boat made by cutting out the inside of a tree trunk. Now the usage you can watch here, which is in Kerala, the tourists can experience traveling in a canoe. Now the next word which we came across is, it's not a word, it's a phrase, a riot of colorful flowers. Here it means that a collection of many different things, just like you can understand from the sentence which says, on account of boat race the banks were a riot of different flower. You could see variety of flowers adorning the river banks. Now let's move on to the next set of words, starting with apprehensively. And the word apprehensively means worried. You can understand its usage through the sentence. Apprehensively, I approached my mother while she was busy working on her painting. So, you were a bit worried at that particular time to approach the mother. Next word, yes, sabotage. Sabotage, a deliberate damage done. For example, Karichal 1 was deliberately damaged by Kesavan and Unni. Now here is the sentence. The opponent team tried to sabotage our Rangoli. Next word, again, it's a group of word, perching precariously, which means sitting dangerously as there may be a chance of falling down. Now, the example, a person cutting fruits from a tree was perching precariously on its branch, that there was a risk that he may fall down. Now, the last set of words which I have picked up, gesticulated. What does it mean? Moved the arms about to convey something. For example, the teacher gesticulated to convey that the students must walk in a line, made some action using the arms. Next word, The last word I would say, shinnai down. Shinnai down means climb down quickly using both hands and leg. I would like to relate this maneuver with the way people try to climb or come down a coconut tree. If you have seen that maneuver, that is shinnai down. You can see the sentence to understand it better. The little boy shinned down from the tree when the farmer caught him stealing the mangoes. So, what were the words which we just came across? Starting with gesticulated, shinned down, sabotage, um, apprehensively. Please go through this word and understand this word, add on to your vocabulary, and enhance your vocabulary further. So, that was the chapter Battling Boats, uh, section 2 of your unit 1, a work of art. I hope the chapter is clear to all of you now. With this, I end this session. Please do attempt the worksheet which will be following this video. This is Mrs. Liju Susan Thomas, TGT English from TIS signing off. Thank you.